full of beautiful women, but I'm on one.
Let's get into the workout. Super excited. We are going to be starting with one of my love and hate relationships. I don't really like this exercise, but it does wonder for the glutes. We are going to start out with hip thrusts. So, my dog is in here. Snooky, I'm going to have to move. She done laid across the floor. And I'm going to show the bench I have. And we're going to be doing probably like 4 sets. We're going to do 4 sets of 12 because we're using a lighter weight. I'm just going to be using a 50-pound dumbbell. All right. Even at home, it takes forever to set up for a hip thrust. All right, so we are going to be doing 4 sets of 12 with 50-pound dumbbell. It's really important to have the back of the bench kind of underneath the shoulder blades and then have your legs at a 90-degree angle. Woo! And make sure the bench is stable. Mine's is a little wobbly, but I've been doing hip thrusts on this thing for a really long time, so it's okay. 10. Head is tucked, chin to chest. Squeezing glutes at the top.
Diamonds on my chest like a bishop. And these lines right here ain't no hiccup. These lines right here gon' really make you. These lines really gonna make you numb like Chuck. This time it's your time. I need to know we're going down. Cause if not, I know there's more.
Then we're going to go right into cast hip thrusts and do 8 of those. And then a 10-second hold. Oh, already burning. Oh my gosh. And my pillow, that was between my hips and the dumbbell was sliding. So yeah, that was nice. I hope throughout this video you just don't hear a ton of heavy breathing because I'm already out of breath. And I think I did a little more than 12. I think I did close to 15, but do 12. Don't listen to me because I think I was daydreaming or something. Okay, so the next exercise we're going to be doing is RDLs. I just have 20-pound dumbbells that I'm going to be doing those with. And yeah, let's get right into it. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 12 is good. 3 sets of 12. Okay, our feet are shoulder width or shoulder length? Shoulder length width apart. Yeah, that sounds right. And a slight bent knee. We are pushing our hips back and then using our glutes to pull us up. We are not leading with the upper body. Our hips are doing all the motion. Okay, this is a different angle so you guys can fully see that I'm pushing my hips back, not leading with my upper body. Feet are spread apart. The knees are softened. I hope you can see the knees. Probably not, but take my word for it. Pushing back our glutes. Squeezing on the way up. Imagine you are just closing a car door with your bum. Okay, that is it for RDLs. Okay, for our next exercise, we are going to be doing sumo squats. Ooh. Sorry about that. It's really loud out there. We're going to be doing sumo squats. I just have a 35-pound dumbbell here. Sumo squats, you want your legs a little wider than normal with your toes pointed out. Just think of like a big V. And then you are bent forward. We're going to be doing 3 sets of 12. Always squeezing the glutes at the top. If you're not feeling it by now, then you're doing something wrong because my glutes hurt. For our last and final exercise of today, we're going to be doing, don't hate me, Bulgarian split squats. Yeah, I hate them. That's why they're last. So, I'm going to switch out my weight. 10-pound dumbbell. A good way to measure how you're supposed to stand is you sit on the bench, have your leg stretched out, and wherever your heel stops is where you're going to stand up. And then place the other leg on the bench. Last set. If you made it to the end of this video and you followed along, give yourself a pat on the back. I applaud you. I hope for any of you guys watching, you enjoyed this. If you like what you saw and you like my video, please like and subscribe. Don't be afraid to come back for more. I know I don't have like the aesthetic setup that you normally see on YouTube with all the other fitness girlies, but who cares? Whatever. I really enjoy working out, and I am really glad I was able to share it with you guys. So, thank you. Bye now.